Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate on how to view and customize summary cards and how to download the application data as a report within the recruitment module. Summary cards display the count of requests based on their type. These types can be based on the various statuses of the requests. The user can add or remove summary cards by clicking on the More options, the Settings button, and selecting or deselecting the required summary cards. And clicking on the Save button. The changes are reflected in the landing page. If you click on any type of summary card, the particular request of the selected category is retrieved and displayed. Now, if the user needs to download the data within the recruitment app as a report, the user can simply click the Download Report option under More options. And the data is downloaded as an Excel file. Thank you for watching.